Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail,
I'm sorry?
to not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
Ma'am, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court, the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear, you've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself.
This courtroom hearing starts off with a mess right from the beginning. The defendant can't even stay focused, asking for the background noise to stop while the judge tries to figure out why she requested treatment in the first place. Now, here's the twist. When the judge presses her on why she wanted treatment, her response isn't about getting better, isn't about recovery, isn't even about taking responsibility. Nope. She flat out admits it was just so she wouldn't have to do jail time.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please pardon your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that'll be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days, I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
That's it. No sincerity, no accountability. Just a quick fix to dodge a sentence. The judge doesn't let that slide. She reminds the courtroom this woman has already been through treatment 7 different times. 7. and she's still sitting here insisting she doesn't need help. You can feel the patience running out. She's only 25 years old, but she already has 3 drug-related convictions, and probation hasn't gone anywhere close to the way it was supposed to. Instead of treating probation like the lifeline it was, she ignored it, ghosted it, and acted like it was optional. And now, she's trying to sell the judge on this new story, saying she's found herself while locked up, that she's been drinking water, drawing, even talking about wanting a car and making music once she gets out. But let's be honest here. Drinking water isn't rehabilitation. Talking about
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and you know, by summertime I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here.
finding yourself doesn't erase 3 criminal convictions. And telling a judge
So I haven't
Okay,
been.
ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff? Right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different. I know.
So you go through the motions. So you just go through the motions, you don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different. I'm willing to go through any probation that you need me to, but, you know,
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
what?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not,
you can do the jail time.
ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
judge you don't need treatment after 7 failed attempts is not going to win you sympathy. At this point, the tension in the room is thick. The judge lays it out plain. This defendant had a chance to keep her record clean. She had a chance with probation. She had a chance with treatment. And each time she threw it away, and you can almost see where this is headed. The judge is building up to something serious. And trust me, it's not going to be the deal this defendant was hoping for. When sentencing time finally comes, the courtroom tension explodes. The judge announces probation is revoked, fines are suspended, and multiple jail terms are stacked together. In total, 138 days behind bars. And that's when the begging starts. Suddenly, the same woman who swore up and
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. You know, I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
Hey, I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve, ma'am.
down she didn't need treatment now insists she does. She's pleading for another chance, saying she can't handle 138 days, that she needs help with housing, that maybe treatment is the better option after all. But here's the problem. She already showed her cards. She admitted earlier the only reason she ever asked for treatment was to avoid jail. So now, when she tries to flip the script and claim she really does need help, the judge isn't buying it. The judge calls her out directly. You told this court you don't need treatment. You only asked because you didn't want jail. It's one of those moments where reality slams down hard. The system already gave her multiple chances, probation, treatment, leniency, and she squandered every single one of them. By now, the judge isn't playing babysitter. This is about accountability. The defendant's excuses just keep piling up. She talks about wanting to make music, wanting a car, even saying she's been drinking a lot of water as proof she's changed. But none of that matters in the face of 7 failed treatment programs, absconding from probation, and multiple drug charges. The gavel drops. 138 days. No treatment, no probation, no shortcuts, just straight jail time. And honestly, the judge nailed it. Probation is a privilege, not a right. It's the court's way of saying, we'll give you the chance to prove you can live by the rules. And she blew it. Over and over. At some point, the judge has to stop giving chances and start protecting the public. This defendant thought probation was a free pass. She treated treatment like a box to check. And now, the price for that attitude is nearly 5 months in jail. Maybe that time will finally force her to reflect, to grow up, and to take life seriously. But from the way she acted in that courtroom, it's hard to say. So what do you think? Was the judge fair in giving her 138 days, or do you think she deserved even more time after wasting all those second chances? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy watching these raw courtroom moments play out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.